Hello, my creative friend. As you know that X-Mix arrives quietly, not with noise, but with light. So, in this video, we want to share something beautiful with you. X-Mix arrived quietly, not because of expensive things, but with a soft nature. Tiny fairy lights glow in the corners of our homes, pine cone rest on tables, like nature's gift, and handmade craft whisper stories of love, patience, and the joy of creating something with our own hands. X-Mix is not just a day, it's a feeling found in folded paper stars, jute threads wrapped carefully around hope. जी, बताओ इसे. Old bottles turn into glowing lanterns and simple things reborn as beautiful decoration. Each craft we make carries a memory, a moment of calm, a reminder that beauty does not need to be expensive, it only need heart. As X-Mix lights shine, we remember the magic of giving not gifts, but time, effort, and creativity. Hands come together, stories are shared, and laughter fills the room like warm candlelight. And slowly, very slowly, X-Mix began to hold hands with something new and gone. The New Year. Now we talk about the New Year. A blank page, untouched, waiting. The New Year does not arrive with answers, it arrives with possibility. Just like our craft, it starts simple, raw, unfinished. A piece of jute, a pine cone, a recycled jar, and suddenly something beautiful is born. The New Year asks us the same question: what will you create? What you create: courage, peace, dreams, or a life filled with small, meaningful joys. As the clock moves closer to midnight, we don't just decorate our homes, we decorate our hopes. We tie bows on our dreams, lights, candles for gratitude, and gently place our worries aside. Because every handmade decoration reminds us nothing beautiful is rushed.